There's a line to a quarry at the end of Thomas's branch. It goes for some distance along the road. Thomas was always very careful to whistle here, in case anyone was coming. Early one morning, Thomas spotted a large policeman sitting close to the line. Thomas liked policemen. He had been a great friend of the officer who had just retired. Thomas was expecting that the new officer would be friendly too, but I'm sorry to say that he didn't look friendly at all. He was red in the face and very cross. The policeman pointed to Thomas. He looked at Thomas's wheels, and he wrote in his notebook. He wrote "regular lawbreaker" in his book. Thomas puffed sadly away. Sir Topham Hatt was having breakfast. He was eating toast and marmalade. The butler came in. At the station, Thomas's driver told Sir Topham Hatt what had happened. Sir Topham Hatt turned and spoke to the policeman. But however much he argued with him, it was no good. Sir Topham Hatt felt exhausted. Sir Topham Hatt stared. Then he laughed. A few days later, Toby arrived. Toby made the silly cars behave even better than Thomas did. At first, Thomas was jealous, but he was so pleased when Toby rang his bell and frightened the policeman. They've been firm friends ever since. You don't mind, do you, sir? The station master wanted to use her as a hen house, and that would never do.